Are you looking for the top 5 best hair clippers for perfect cuts? Finding the right hair clippers can be a real challenge, especially if you're tired of uneven cuts or clippers that just can't handle your hair type. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Philips Norelco All-in-One Trimmer. Let's kick things off with the Philips Norelco All-in-One 3000 series. At a price point that usually hovers around $40, this trimmer caught my attention with its impressive 13-in-1 functionality. If you want an all-in-one solution for your grooming needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Norelco comes equipped with self-sharpening, skin-friendly blades that make trimming comfortable and irritation-free. The 9 length settings, ranging from 0.5mm to 16mm, mean you can easily achieve the style you want, whether it's a close shave or a longer beard. Plus, the battery lasts up to 60 minutes on a single charge, which is quite handy for those of you who hate being tethered by a cord. With over 10,000 units sold just last month, it's clearly popular. Now, some people complained about the lack of a wall charger, as it only comes with a USB-A cable. Here's the thing though, while it's a bummer if you want a wall adapter, you can easily charge it through any USB port, which is convenient for travel. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one grooming device that's easy to use and travel-friendly. Skip this one if you prefer using a corded clipper or need something more specialized. Now, if the Norelco's lack of a wall charger bothered you, this next one takes a completely...
Product number 2, Yogingo Professional Hair Trimmer. The Yogingo Professional Hair Trimmer is a sleek, budget-friendly option priced at just $9.99. Its design immediately impressed me, especially with the bronze finish and T-style zero-gap cutter head. If you're after precision and a stylish look without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The T-shaped stainless steel cutter head glides effortlessly through hair, offering a smooth cut without skin irritation, which is crucial if you have sensitive skin. With a powerful copper core motor running at 8,500 RPM, this trimmer can tackle even the toughest hair with ease. Plus, with 180 minutes of cordless use after just 3 hours of charging, you can groom anywhere without worrying about outlets. It's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. However, some users noted that the clipper can get a bit warm during prolonged use. Here's the thing though, for most home users, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially for quick trims or touch-ups. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, portable trimmer that can handle various hair types. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty performance for thick hair or professional use. At this price, it's a steal.
Product number 3, Wall Lithium Ion Pro. Next up, we have the Wall Lithium Ion Pro, priced at around $69.99. This clipper is well known for its reliability, and the fact that it's been trusted by professionals for over a century definitely caught my eye. If you want something that can deliver salon-quality results at home, keep listening. Here's why this matters for you. This clipper runs cordless with a 2-hour runtime on a full charge, which means you can comfortably do multiple haircuts in one go. The self-sharpening precision ground blades make quick work of even thick hair, ensuring a clean cut every time. Plus, it comes with 12 attachment guards to customize your cutting lengths from 1/16 to 1 inch. With 8,000 units sold last month, it's a top choice for many. Now, some users did mention that it can be a bit heavy compared to other models, but honestly, the performance you get more than makes up for the extra weight, especially for those who prioritize quality. This is perfect for you if you're a home user looking for a professional-grade clipper that can handle all hair types. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight option or plan to carry it around a lot. The quality here is worth the investment. Now, if you're looking for something even more specialized, let's look at the Nova Professional Hair Clippers.
Product number 4, Nova Professional Hair Clippers. The Nova Professional Hair Clippers are priced around $75.97, and let me tell you, this thing looks and feels premium right out of the box. It's designed not just for style, but function, and if you're serious about grooming, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you. The clipper is tested in high-end barber shops, which means it delivers that pro-level performance right at home. With 6 premium guards and a variable gauge adjustable head, you can achieve any style you want, from fades to clean cuts. The high-definition LED display keeps you informed about battery life and speed, so you know exactly what you're working with.
Plus, its all-metal unibody design not only looks classy, but offers a sturdy grip. However, I did find some complaints about the battery life not lasting as long as expected on heavy use. Here's the thing though, for the average user doing occasional haircuts, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially given the professional features. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a quality clipper that offers versatility and pro results. Skip this one if you need something for just quick trims or have very thick hair that requires heavy-duty tools. It's an investment, but one that pays off. Now, let's wrap things up with the Wall Home Haircutting Kit.
Product number 5, Wall Home Haircutting Kit. Finally, we have the Wall Home Haircutting Kit, which is priced at a very reasonable $39.99. This clipper caught my eye because it's designed specifically for at-home haircuts, making it super user-friendly. If you want something straightforward and effective for home use, here's why you should consider it. This kit features a heavy-duty motor that provides exceptional power without snogging your hair. The adjustable taper lever allows for easy blending and feeing, so even if you're a beginner, you can achieve professional-looking results. With 10 color-coded guards, you won't have to memorize cutting lengths, making it easier to get the look you want without fuss. It's a solid choice with over 7,000 units sold, proving it's popular among home users. Now, some customers have mentioned the clipper being quite noisy during operation, which might be annoying for some, but honestly, this is typical for powerful motors and shouldn't deter you from considering its performance. This is perfect for you if you're an easy-to-use kit for at-home haircuts. Skip this one if you're looking for something to handle professional jobs or if noise is a major concern for you.
To wrap this up, we've looked at 5 fantastic hair clippers today. The Philips Snorelco offers great versatility. The Yogin Go is stylish and portable. Wall's Lithium Ion Pro is perfect for professional-grade cuts. Nova delivers top-tier performance, and Wall's Home Kit is fantastic for easy at-home grooming. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Wall Lithium Ion Pro because it balances convenience and professional quality perfectly. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Nova if you need something that lasts longer on a single charge. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.